It's a JBL PRX1 all-in-one unit, a 2,000 watt system. It's got the subwoofer on here, and it's got two separate tower units that connect together to make one unit. We have one 12-inch woofer in the bottom here, and we've got 12 2.5-inch high frequency drivers in here. You can see them. There's 8 on this top one, and there's 4 on the bottom here, and it all just connects together. It has a 130 dB SPL on it, and looking at about an 6 to 8 foot cable on here. And this tower, just so you know, stands about, looking at about 7 foot tall overall. Comes with a cover for the subwoofer, and you have a bag. It comes with a bag for your 2 towers in here to put in. And on the back here we have your controls. 7 channels on here, 7 individual channels. You got your power on and off. Comes with a cable. It comes with a guide, and you can download the app to it, which I'll show you. And you can see your inputs right here. We have XLR inputs, lines 1 through 4. And then we've got 1/4-inch inputs and an auxiliary input. We have a pass-through on here. We have 2 USB inputs right here for running music. You can see your main and all kinds of stuff going on here. It's Bluetooth compatible, which is how you connect the app, which I'll show you right here. And you can also download this JBL app that comes with it on Google or your iPhone, and it gives you all kinds of options.
Once it connects, and the speaker's on now, you can connect, and it shows you all the different channels. There's 7 channels on each tower, and you can control them. Bluetooth comes in on channel 7. Each channel also has effects send. You got reverb, delay, and chorus, and sub-synth on each channel for your effects send. You've got equalization for each channel, as well as they give you a custom parametric equalization, speech, female vocal. It gives you some presets that you can choose. This one's currently set for male ballad for whatever reason. Phantom power for each one. And also dynamics, you got your gate and compressor there if you want to assign it to a channel. For each channel, and there are 7 channels. Now, you'll notice channel 7 only has the EQ and the effects send. It does not have the compressor limiter. 7 is limited.
So we're a 3-piece band. We're using this to play in a bar. We have 2 of them. We're going to use these to play pretty decent sized bars. 2,000 watts is great for a small to medium sized bar, more than enough. You can probably do smaller outdoor events with something this big. The JBL PRX1.